Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a really nice clean machine. This is really clean. This is a AccuGrind Chevalier 618 surface grinder. This actually has an electromagnetic chuck. What that means right now, you can see we have nothing. We go ahead and turn this guy on. You can see it immediately clicks right on. Now we're stuck. We've got a variable control where you can change your power depending on what you're going to be working with. Really nice feature. These are pretty expensive to get this whole setup. Definitely worth it. Opposed to something like this that you would have, this is a permanent magnetic chuck. You just turn this guy back and forth and that's going to turn on your magnetic. Makes it a little bit tougher. Depending on what you're working with, this might be better for you, but you can order these in that as well. This is also available as a new machine from us. We also work with Chevalier as new as well as used. Now we'll go ahead and run this machine. There's a few really nice features on it. Not only is this electromagnetic chuck really nice, but it also has a 2 incremental down speeds. Now you can see right here, if you want to come down, you have your thousandths. Move it over here. And now you can do a fine adjustment right there. Tenths, thousandths, all with the turn of a wheel, and it gives you really nice down feed. That's your down feed right here. That's what's bringing this into your part. So you're going to want to make sure to just touch that and really give it a little bit of a feed each time. Now what you do in between is you're going to have your table go back and forth. Of course, this is a manual machine, so you're going to be doing this manually. You're going to be bringing the head down manually, and if you want it to move in and out, to have to go over this entire chuck, you turn this guy right here. You can see it's really easy to move, very smooth. Now some of these machines, they'll have power on this and everything will be fully automatic. That's going to be the difference between manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic. This is going to be a manual machine, meaning you have a manual down feed, you have manual cross, X and Y. If you wanted to move to something else, perhaps something like this, this is an Acra. This is another machine that we sell. This is a brand new as well as used machine. This is a used machine. This has a fully automatic machine. So you're going to have your X and Y automatically going after each pass, and then you have an incremental down feed that's going to automatically feed until the part's exactly where you need it to be and pop back up. So really depending on the production that you're going to be looking to do, we have a lot of different machines that might work for you. I can walk all the way around here all day and point them all out to you. You can see them all on our website. We have a lot of different machinery there with all the videos and specs and more. If this is the type of machine you want to see run, give us a call. Now you can hear the head on. I've got a microphone. I'm going to be real quiet and let you hear the head. Sounds like new. Really nice machine. If this is the type of machine you're looking for, give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com for all these machines, videos, financing, and more. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.